Are your videos getting lost in the shuffle? You put time into creating great content, but if your channel is a mess of unrelated videos, viewers are just going to click away. Stop losing subscribers to disorganization. I am going to show you how to create and edit playlists in YouTube Studio so you can boost your watch time and actually keep people watching. Here's the plan. First, I will walk you through creating a brand new playlist from scratch. Then, we will jump into editing and reordering those playlists to make sure your best content gets seen first. All right, let us start. The first thing you want to do is log into YouTube Studio on your desktop. This is your command center, and it is where all the magic happens. Now, look in the top right-hand corner and click the blue Create button. From the drop-down menu, select New Playlist. This is where you build the container for your videos. And here is the really important part. Give your playlist a title that is actually searchable. Think about what your audience is typing into that search bar. A title like My Videos tells them nothing. Instead, use something specific, like Complete Guide to Video Editing for Beginners. Then add a brief description so people know exactly what they are getting into. Next up, you need to set the visibility using the drop-down menu. Public makes it visible to everyone. Unlisted means only people with the link can see it. Private is just for you and your team. For growth, you will usually want public, but I use unlisted when I am still building a series. Now click Add Videos. You can pull from your existing uploads or even your watch history if you are curating from other channels. Once you have selected the videos, click Create. Just like that, your playlist is live. So now that we have got that set up, let us move on to editing. This is where you can really refine things. Over on the left-hand menu, click Content. Then select the Playlists tab. This shows you every playlist on your channel in one place. Hover over the playlist you want to tweak and click the three dots, or the Options button. From there, select Edit. This opens up the full editing interface. Now pay attention to this one. You can click the pencil icon next to the title or description to update them anytime. Maybe you want to change the privacy settings or update the thumbnail. It is all right here in the Details section. But the real power is in reordering your videos. Hover over a video, grab it, and drag and drop it to wherever you want. This is perfect for putting your most exciting content first, so people get hooked right away. If you are dealing with a long list, click the three dots next to a specific video and use Move to Top or Move to Bottom. That saves you from dragging across the whole screen. You can also use the Sort button to auto-organize everything by most popular or by date published. That is a great trick for time-sensitive content. And if a video no longer fits the theme, click those three dots again and select Remove from this playlist. It does not delete the video from your channel, it just takes it out of that specific lineup. Hopefully this helps you turn your channel into something viewers actually want to binge. If you found this useful, stick around. We have got plenty more tutorials on growing your channel and making the most of YouTube Studio.